Yeah, good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. U. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I'm AWS certified trainer at associate level. Friends, I'm providing the training is at associate level. For this, it is taking the duration is 40 to 45 hours. 40 to 45 hours. Once you get registered in this course, then every day you are getting class recording videos, class material, and at the end of the training, you got AWS interview questions and answers, AWS dumps, each and every topic, the screenshot explanation I'm providing. For this, the course fee is the 5,000 rupees. Course fee is 5,000 rupees. On yesterday session, that is a day one demo session is completed. On that day one demo session, what content I have to cover in my training program, I have to explain. And also, friends, on day one session, I explained the basics of the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What are advantages of cloud computing? And what are the cloud deployment models or the types of cloud I have to explain with an example. And also in the last session, I explained the cloud delivery models. Cloud delivery models. Now, friends, this is day two demo session. In this day two demo session, we have covered the AWS introduction, AWS free tier account, how to create your AWS free tier account, and what are the limitations of your AWS free tier account. And also, friends, I can explain how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server. These three concepts I have to cover. First, I have to explain that how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. For that, what are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS account? The last session I told that to create your AWS account, we need these three things are required. What are the three things are required? One is your credit card or debit card. Second one is your mobile number. And third one is your mail ID is required. Friends, already I have my AWS account. That's why I'm not creating with the hands-on, that is a step by step. So instead of that, what I am doing is I have to explain the procedure how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. Already I can prepare the class material. What are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS free tier account? See that, friends, to create your AWS free tier account, we have to click on this is the link. You have to click on this is the link to create your AWS free tier account. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. See, friends, when you click on this link, the class material, then it is redirecting to this. It is redirecting to this one. You need to enter, sign up for your AWS account. You need to enter whatever the mail ID you have, that mail ID we have to enter. And you need to enter your AWS account name. To enter the AWS account name, it must be a NIQ. It must be a NIQ. That is, you need to enter your email ID and you need to enter your AWS account name. That is, you need to enter it your mail ID. You need to enter AWS account name. To enter your AWS account name must be NIQ. And then we have to click on the verify email address. Whatever the mail ID you are given for creating your AWS free tier account, for that mail ID, you receive one verification code you receive. Whatever you receive the verification code to your mail ID, that verification code you can enter it here and then click on verify option. Click on verify option. Once you click on verify option, then it is asking that you need to enter your password for your AWS account password, and we have to confirm the password. The root user is nothing but there are two types of users are there. I'll tell you. So you can enter the password and we have to confirm the password. For confirming the password, again we have to retype it. Sir, is there any rules we have to follow to create your AWS password? Password, yes. That is, the password must be 8 characters length. Password must be 8 characters length. And your password contain the minimum of 3 uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and non-alphanumeric characters. Your password length is minimum 3 characters. Your password contains the minimum of these 3 things: uppercase letter, lowercase letters, numbers, and the non-alphanumeric character. Okay, fine. Once you enter your mail ID, whatever the verification code you receive it, for that verification code you are entered, then it is asking that you need to enter the password. You need to confirm the password and then click on continue option. Once you click on continue option, then it is asking that, how do you plan to use your AWS account? That is for business or the personal. That is, you have to choose as the personal, we have to put the tick mark. You have to choose the personal and you need to enter your name. You need to enter your mobile number. You can choose country or region and you need to enter the address, city, state, postal code and put the tick mark and then click on continue option. That is nothing but you need to enter your personal details. You need to enter your personal details. That is the second step we have to done it. Once you enter your personal details, then it is asking that you need to enter your card details. Already I told that to create your AWS free tier account, you need your credit card or debit card, your mobile number is required, and your mail ID is required. See, once the second step is over, then you need to enter your card details. It may be the credit card or the debit card. That is, you need to enter the card number, card expiration month, you have to choose it, card expiration year, you need to choose it. You can type the card holder name. If you turn off the CVV number, 3-digit number is there. That 3-digit card number we have to enter. And you need to billing address, we have to specify. And you have the PAN card, choose yes option. We have to fill that one. Otherwise, we have to choose no option. That is nothing but the step 3. Once you enter your card detail, expiration month, expiration year, card holder name, and the CVV and the billing address, then we have to click on verify and continue option. That is nothing but the third step we have to done it. Third step we have to done it. See that here you are given the mobile number. You are given the mobile number. And whatever the bank linked mobile number is there, you can receive one OTP, we have to receive it. Once you enter your card detail, that OTP we have to enter it here and click on submit option. Then to your bank account, the 2 rupees will be deducted. 2 rupees is deducted. That 2 rupees deduction is for the verification purpose. Within 24 hours, the 2 rupees will be credited to your account. That deduction of the 2 rupees is for verification purpose. That is for verification purpose. Okay. Then again it is asking that you need to confirm your identity. That is, you may choose either text message or the voice call. Here I am selecting text message. You may choose voice call also, no problem. And you need to choose the country or the region. Again, you need to enter your mobile number. Whatever the security check, it will be appear on your screen, not in this one. Not in this one. Whatever, while creating your AWS free tier account, whatever the security check it is appeared, that is we have to type it and then we have to click on send SMS. Send SMS. Okay. Then you need to enter the verification code. Click on continue option. That is the step 4, again it is asking the identification. It is asking for the identification. You can confirm your identity, right? To confirm your identity, you can choose either text message or the voice call, and you need to choose the country or the region. Again, you need to enter the mobile number. Whatever the security check, it will be appear on the screen. That is, we can type it here. We can send to SMS. Then the verification code, whatever you receive it on your mobile, that verification code, we have to enter it. Click on continue option. That is the step 4, we can do it. Then once the step 4 will be completed, then you need to choose your plan. You need to select your plan. See friends, for practicing purpose, I will recommend that you need to choose the basic support, the free plan. If we are chosen this one, basic support free plan, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is provided. Suppose if we are chosen developer support, monthly you need to pay the minimum $29 per month. If we are chosen business support, monthly you need to pay $100. That is the minimum. Friends, for practicing purpose, you need to choose the plan is basic support, the free plan, you need to choose it. And then we have to click on complete sign up process. Once you click on complete sign up process, then you are getting congratulations. Go to the management console. And again that it is asking that you can choose this arrow mark. You have to choose your role, whatever that, and your interested area. You have to choose DevOps or the data engineering or something. And then we have to click on this. Then you can appear the screen is like that. The AWS screen will be appear. Now, already I have created my AWS free tier account. Now I have to open my AWS account. That is, you have to select the management console. See here, already I create my AWS free tier account. You can click on sign into the console. You have to click on sign into the console. Friends, you remember always you need to sign in with your root user mail ID. There are 2 types of users are there. How many types of users are there? 2 types of users are there. One is the root user. Second one is nothing but IAM user. In detail, we discussed in IAM concept. Sir, if we are chosen the root user, whatever the provider is providing the services, all the services will be worked out here in your AWS. If we are chosen the IAM user, whatever you are given the permission, admin has to give the permission, only that permission will be worked out here. I'll tell you in detail. Right now, we have to choose it, the root user, whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS free tier account, that mail ID we have to enter. And whatever the password you are given, that password we have to enter. Friends, in my AWS account, I am providing the additional security, that is, I can apply it multi-factor authentication. See, in my mobile, I can receive the 6-digit code. When I enter this 6-digit code, then only it is open my AWS account. Means the MFA code is providing the additional security to my AWS account. See friends, once you are created your AWS account, it is not asking for you. When you apply the MFA code, then only it is asking that to enter the MFA code. Otherwise, it is not asking. Friends, this is my AWS free tier account. See that? This is my account ID. At the top right side, my name is there. And here, if you click on this arrow mark, they are nothing but the regions in my AWS account. US, East North Virginia region, California region, Hyderabad region, Mumbai region, Singapore region. There are many regions are there. Once you create your AWS free tier account, those are the screen will be appear like that. In my AWS account, those are recently visited services in my AWS account. EC2, Route 53, S3, CloudTrail, CloudWatch. Those are nothing but the recently visited services in my AWS free tier account. Friends, those are the steps we have to follow. How to create your AWS free tier account? To create your AWS free tier account, you need these three things are required for creating your AWS free tier account. That is credit card or debit card, mobile number, and then your mail ID. Your mail ID. Fine, friends. Now we are going to discuss AWS introduction. We are going to discuss the AWS introduction. That is nothing but in this AWS introduction, we are going to see that in the AWS introduction, see here, that is, it is started in the year 2006. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. This is a cloud computing services. This is created by Amazon. Fine. It is working based on the internet connection only. Without internet connection, you can't use any resources. You can't use any services. When it is started in 2006. Sir, how it has to cover their services throughout globally? That is with the help of their data center. With the help of their data centers. With the help of their data centers, it has to cover their services throughout global. Right now, how many regions are there? How many availability zones are there is here. Right now, there are 34 geographic regions are there. 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Whatever here it is mentioned, that is in before 1 month. Before 1 month, whatever I am specified in the documentation, that is correct. Now, 34 regions are there. 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Sir, if you have doubt, see that you can click on this link. We have to click on, this is the link we have to click on in the AWS introduction. We have to click on, this is the link. I'll send it in the chat box. See that, I'll send it in the chat box. If you click on this link in my class material, then you are getting the AWS global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure. See that what I mentioned in the theory point in the introduction, 34 geographic regions are there. 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. See that here in this AWS global infrastructure, 34 launched regions. Each region can have multiple availability zones are there. Total how many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are. If you scroll down here on that link, see friends, AWS cloud spans 108 availability zones within 34 geographic regions. They plan to upgrade 18 more availability zones and 6 more regions in Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European regions. They need to upgrade their regions. They need to upgrade the availability services, sir, 18 more availability services. What I mentioned the point is each region can have multiple availability zones are there. Multiple availability zones are there. I'll tell you, just wait for 1 minute. Fine. If you scroll down here, here the green color circles, in this, the green color circles, those are representing already existed regions. See here in India, Hyderabad region is there, Mumbai region is there. That green color circles in this global infrastructure, it is representing already existed regions. Existed regions. In this global infrastructure, red color circles are also there. Mexico, see that, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Germany, Taiwan, Thailand, right? This one, those are nothing but the upcoming regions. Upcoming regions. Here it is representing green color. They are nothing but already existed regions. Red color circles are coming soon. Red color circles are coming soon. What I mentioned the point here, 34 launched regions are there. 108 availability zones are there. Sir, where the regions are there? Already you say that you are created your AWS free tier account. See that this is my AWS account. Here, if you click on this arrow mark, see that they are nothing but the regions. North Virginia region, California region, Hyderabad region, Mumbai region, Singapore region, Sydney region, Canada Central region. Those are nothing but the regions in my AWS free tier account. They are nothing but it is supporting in my AWS account, the free tier account, the regions are supported. If you scroll down here, at the bottom, there are 12 more regions that are not enabled for my account. For my account, we have to scroll down that. If you need to enable those regions also, at the bottom, manage regions option is there. You have to click on this one. We can scroll down it here. Suppose you need to enable. You need to enable. So when you are creating your AWS free tier account, Hyderabad region is also not enabled. I can enable Hyderabad region. Suppose you need to enable Hong Kong, select this one, enable option is there. Then that region will be enabled to your AWS free tier account. To your AWS free tier account. Okay. Sir, how to sign in with your AWS free tier account? That is when you click on sign in your AWS account, whatever the mail ID you are entered, that mail ID we can enter it and the password we have to enter it. Then the screen will be appear like that. Screen will be appear like that. Fine. So just now you are saying that, sir, here, those are nothing but the regions in my AWS account. In my AWS account, you may choose any region. It may be the Mumbai region or the Hyderabad region or the North Virginia region or the Singapore region, any region we have to choose it. You are saying that, sir, each region can have the multiple availability zones. Multiple availability zones. Multiple availability zone. Sir, multiple availability zones. See that I am selecting the region is Mumbai region, sir. Mumbai region I am selecting. Just wait, I can explain in detail, no problem at all. See, right now we don't know what is the instant. Just we have to observe that the multiple availability zones are there or not. We have to see that. I can launch one virtual machine. Click on launch instances. I'm not launching right now. Just I'm showing that the multiple availability zones. If you click on network setting, edit option, see that. See that. How many availability zones are there? Availability zone in Mumbai region, AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. In Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? How many availability zones are there? There are 3 availability zones are there. I am there in Mumbai region. Similarly, I have to switch to the Hyderabad region. I'll switch to the Hyderabad region. Automatically, it is open the EC2 service. You can launch the instances. Now, here in network setting, click on edit option. Come to the subnet. See that availability zone AP South 2A, AP South 2B, AP South 2C. Means in Hyderabad region, we have 3 availability zones. That is, I mentioned the point is each region can have multiple availability zones. Can have multiple availability zones. Availability zone is nothing but in the data center, it's one rack. One rack is nothing but one availability zone. On that, that is nothing but one data center. The servers will be launched here on that rank. On that track. Fine. Sir, why we need each region can have the multiple availability zone? Similarly, if you see that in North Virginia region, in North Virginia region, we come to the network setting, edit option, subnet. We'll see that how many availability zones are there? US East 1, US East 1B, US East 1B, US East 1E, and US East 1C, US East 1F. See, in North Virginia region, how many availability zones are there? Subnet is nothing but the availability zones. I'll tell you how can create your subnet. How we can create your subnet. Okay. How many availability zones are there in the North Virginia region? 6 availability zones are there. 6 availability zones are there. Sir, you are saying that each region can have multiple availability zones are there. See here, if we are chosen in Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? 3 availability zones are there. 3 availability zones are there. If you are taking Hyderabad region, how many availability zones are there? 3 availability zones are there. In North Virginia region, how many availability zones are there? 6 availability zones are there. That is nothing but each region can have multiple availability zones are there. So like that, globally, right now, how many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Sir, why you need the more availability zones? Why you need the more availability zones? See that if you take in the Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there is? There are 3 availability zones are there. 3 availability zones are there. This is nothing but one availability zone in the Mumbai region. One availability zone in Mumbai region is availability zone 1. Similarly, the availability zone 2. Availability zone 2. Here, this is the availability zone 3. Total in Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? 3 availability zone is there. From one availability zone to another availability zone, there is a strong connection will be established. Robust connection will be there. From one availability zone to another availability zone. Sir, why, sir, they are using in the Mumbai region, 3 availability zone, in Hyderabad region, 3 availability zone, in North Virginia region, 6 availability zone. You may take the Singapore region, 3 availability zones are there. Why you need each region can have the multiple availability zone? Why you need the multiple availability zone? That is nothing but you are developing one application. You need to deploy it in the cloud environment. To deploy in the cloud environment, to deploy your application, you can deploy it more than one availability zone. More than one availability zone. One availability zone. See, there is a strong data centers are there. Even though that sometimes it may be in down in one availability zone, then your application should be safely running in another availability zone. That is there any reason maximum it is not will be occurred, the failure or the downtime cannot be occurred in the availability zone. That much of strong connections will be, that much of strong robust they are establishing in the data centers. Even though that there are 0.001% downtime will be there, If any downtime will be there, that is to deploy the application in only one availability zone. If that availability zone will be down, then your application should not be accessed to others. Should not be accessed to others. That's why when you deploy the application in the cloud environment, more than one availability zone, we can deploy your application. Even in one availability zone is down, then the remaining availability zone can be running so that your application should be safely working. Your application should be safely accessing with others, right? See that in the region, in Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? 3 availability zones are there. This is nothing but one availability zone. On that availability zone, the data center, the servers will be there. Data center, servers will be there. In another availability zone also, the data center, servers are there. That is nothing but one rack. You can imagine as a rack. There are different types of servers are there. See, if you launch your application more than one availability zone, even one availability zone may be down, then your application should be safely running in another availability zone. Suppose you need to choose to deploy the application in only one availability zone, it may be in downtime, then your application should not be accessed to others. That is the reason they are introducing in one region, in one data center. It may be in Mumbai region, or it may be in Hyderabad region, or it may be in North Virginia region. They are introducing multiple availability zones. Each region can have more than one availability zone. Each region can have more than one availability zone. More than one availability zone. That is the reason they are introduced. In the Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. In Hyderabad region, 3 availability zones are there. In North Virginia region, 6 availability zones are there. Highest availability zones, the reason is North Virginia region. Highest availability zones, the reason is nothing but the North Virginia region. That is nothing but the AWS global infrastructure. Global infrastructure. Totally, how many regions are there? How many data centers are there globally? 34 launched regions are there. How many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. See, they need to upgrade the 18 more availability zone and 6 more regions in Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European regions. They need to upgrade their regions and the availability zone. This diagram is representing the global infrastructure. Global infrastructure. That is the brief introduction I am given. AWS introduction. AWS introduction. Friends, once you create your AWS free tier account, how many months it is providing the free service? 12 months it is providing the free service. 12 months it is providing the free service. I'll tell you the limitations. What are the limitations are there when you are creating your AWS free tier account? See, friends, once your course will be completed, your practice is well and your preparation is well, then you are attempting the global certification exam, the foundation level certification exam, we can attempt it. That is nothing but the basic level. That is AWS certified cloud practitioner. Or direct also, we can attempt at the associate level. AWS certified solution architect, associate level.
Hello.
AWS certified developer, associate level. AWS certified system apps administrator, associate level. See, the certification globally, it is valid for the 3 years. 3 years. I am providing the training is this much. Associate level training I am providing. So direct, you don't go for the associate level. First, as a fresher, you need to apply the certification. If you want the certification, you can apply for the foundation level. For that, we have to check the fee. Maybe yearly, they may be changing the fee. When I'm writing the exam at associate level, 15,000 I paid, and the GST also I can pay it. I can schedule the exam, and one proctor will came 3 hours means 3.5 hour exam will be conducted, right?
Hello.
If it is pass or fail depends on your performance. That is, I am providing the training is at associate level. If you need to attempt the professional level, that is direct the professional level, and my suggestion is you don't go for the professional level certification, because the certification will be valid globally 3 years only. After 3 years, that certification cannot be valid. That's why I'm saying that first we can attempt the foundation level. Once that foundation level and you have joined in companies, then you can go for the renewalization associate level we have to apply. See friends, you are certified associate level this category. Then you may write the exam after 2 years or the 3 years, professional level, AWS certified solution architect, professional level, or this eligibility guy certified person is also writing AWS certified DevOps engineer, professional level. And this guy is also eligible for writing the DevOps engineer. This guy is also eligible for writing DevOps engineering. And apart from this, the AWS is providing many more specializations. AWS certified big data specialty certification, AWS certified Alexa skill builder, AWS certified machine learning, and AWS certified advanced networking, AWS certified security. Apart from that, there is many more specialization certifications will be valid. See, each certification can be valid throughout globally, the 3 years only. 3 years only. That's why I'm saying that you can complete at the beginning level, foundation level, we have to complete the certification. That is just I am given the brief introduction I am given regarding to the AWS. Now, right now I have to explain that how to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account, you need credit card or the debit card, your mobile number, and your mail ID. And that is I have to explain the AWS free tier account. What are the steps we have to follow? I can explain that with the help of the screenshot. I have to explain how to create your AWS free tier account. And also friends, I explained the AWS introduction. In the AWS introduction, I have the global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure. How many reasons are there? How many availability zones are there? Total 34 regions are there, and 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. See that they need to upgrade. The AWS is upgrading the 18 more availability zones and 6 more regions. 6 more regions. I can specify that on which regions they need to upgrade it. On which regions they need to upgrade it. In this AWS global infrastructure, they need to upgrade the regions. Those are the reasons. How many availability zones they need to upgrade it? 18 more availability zones. Right now, how many regions are there? 34. How many availability zones are there? 108. That is, I have to explain the global infrastructure and how to create your AWS free tier account. With this, you have clear?
Yeah. So I have one question.
Yeah.
So you mentioned like available. See, data centers are nothing but regions. Am I right?
Data centers is nothing but the regions. See
Okay.
that this is the Mumbai region.
Hmm.
See here, what are the regions are there? That is the Mumbai region is there, Hyderabad region is there. If I am taking the Mumbai region, my application should be deploy my application in the Mumbai region I am chosen. In Mumbai region, in how many availability zones I need to deploy it. That is nothing but the subnet. You can choose it here. You can choose it here. How many availability zones are there? AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Here, the VPC is nothing but someone is asking that what is the subnet? What is the subnet? Subnet is nothing but, see that, I'll tell you, just wait. See here. This is my complete AWS system, complete AWS service, globally. Globally, it has to cover the AWS services. Now, here I need to choose the Mumbai region I am selecting. Mumbai region I am selecting. Let us assume that one big room is nothing but the Mumbai region data center. Here on Mumbai region data center, you are creating the virtual private cloud. That is nothing but you are allocating some space. You are allocating some space is nothing but the virtual private cloud. Virtual private cloud. On that also, based on that, you need to partition the space. That is public subnet and the private subnet. See that the web servers. Anyone has to access that web servers. We can launch it here on the public subnet. The database server are the sensitive information that's we can launch it on the private subnet. Private subnet. This concept in detail we are discussing on the virtual private cloud. On the virtual private cloud. The right now the what is the virtual private cloud is nothing but it's the space you are creating anywhere data center. It may be in Mumbai region or maybe in North Virginia region, anyone. See, on this virtual private cloud, your created virtual private cloud, you need the partition like the public subnet, like the public subnet, public subnet, and the private subnet. You can partition it. You can partition it, right? See, the web servers, we can launch it on the public subnet. Like the sensitive information for storing the data, we can launch the servers in the private subnet. The private subnet. Virtual private cloud is nothing but right now I am saying that you are allocating some space. You are allocating some space. See the default, how many subnets are there, how many availability zones are there in the Mumbai region is the 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Each availability zone, one subnet they are created. AP South 1A, one subnet. AP South 1B, one subnet. AP South 1C, another subnet. Right?
Yeah. So subnets like
The
available
reason
zones
is
are not
nothing
data
but
centers.
already I told that this is entire region. This is nothing but the Mumbai region. Here, this is the Mumbai region. On the Mumbai region, if you are deploy the application, they are dividing into the availability zones.
Okay.
Availability zones.
So
We can deploy your applications multiple availability zones.
okay. So
Can we
three.
launch public
Yeah.
one subnet, private one subnet? That's in detail we are discussing in the virtual private cloud. Already I'm saying that in I can mention the curriculum also. I have to mention the syllabus. This is I have to mention that. See here,
Okay.
here. Introduction to the virtual private cloud, how we can create the virtual private cloud, what is the subnet, how we can create the public subnet, how we can create the private subnet, and how you are creating the internet gateway, route table, and how we can launch the web server in the public subnet, how we can launch the database server in the private subnet, how can you connect the database server without the private subnet, all the details which are there I have to explore 7 to 8 hours related to the VPC concept, related to the virtual private cloud. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. Someone is asking that what is the timing, sir? The timing is actually this is the add-on batch that is 8 to 9. Just the tentatively the 3 days we are providing. Actual the timing is the 7:30 p.m. to I can make as a based on that the 2 hours I have to plan it. 2 hours I have to plan it. If I can teach every day the 2 hours, it is taking to complete the sessions is 22 days. 22 days. Daily 2 hours. Daily 2 hours. Already I told that in the beginning to complete my training session, 40 to 45 hours. 40 to 45 hours it is taking the hours. If I take daily 2 hours, approximately it is taking 22 days. Daily I am taking 2 hours. Daily I am taking 2 hours. Right now, some last week batch will be started 7:30 p.m. These 2 days I am not teaching for that batch. Okay. I can explore that for that batch, how to launch the Linux server, what are the steps we follow, how to launch and connect the Windows server, and how we can transfer the files from your system to launch Linux server and from your system to launch the Windows server, and also some basic Linux commands I have to explain. I can cover it on tomorrow session, friends. This is tomorrow is the last demo session. On day 3 demo session, on day 3 demo session, I have to explore that how to launch and connect the Linux server, how to launch and connect the Windows server, and also how to transfer files, how to transfer files from local system. Local system is nothing but your laptop or desktop to Linux server. And also I have to explore how to transfer files from local system to the Windows server. Local system to Windows server. These concepts on tomorrow session I have to explore so that both of them are equal. Then I have to explore on Monday onwards this batch and last week started batch. I have to combine, I have to explore. Friends, tomorrow session I have to explore more than 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Direct I'll start the EC2 service. Compute service I have to start. Slowly one by one the services I have to explore. Every day one service I have to explore. Tomorrow session I have to explore how to launch and connect the Linux server, how to launch and connect the Windows server. And this continuation concept is how we can transfer the files from your system to launch Linux server or the Windows server. That concept I have to cover on tomorrow session. That's entirely the tomorrow session is hands-on. Hands-on. See, parallelly, you can create your AWS account today and tomorrow onwards we have to practice. Once my session will be over, we can practice minimum. We have to practice. We can spend the time is 1 hour time we have to spend it, and then whatever I can explore that on that session we have to practice. 2 hours. Monday onwards 2 hours I have to plan it. Monday onwards 2 hours. Okay. Tomorrow is 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes I am taking. Okay. 7:30 to 9:30. Yes. Yes, from Monday onwards. Tomorrow is only 1 hour or 1 hour 15. 1 hour 15 minutes is maximum to complete those concepts. Every day is only hands-on. I'm not focusing the theory. Only with hands-on I am focusing. Only with hands-on I am focusing. Okay. Clear? Any questions? Any questions? Yes, yes, exactly. It is taking daily. I'm taking 22 days. It is taking to complete the sessions. Complete the sessions. Already for the previous batch, just 8:30 p.m. batch, I can complete it 23 days. It's taking to complete all the content, all the course, all the concepts. 23 days I'm taking. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Yes, already, I think yesterday also I can share the demo video link. No? Just wait. This is the demo videos link. Okay, no problem. Adi Kumar. I shared the yesterday demo video link. They are uploaded on the YouTube channel. They are uploaded on the YouTube channel. The demo videos will be available here. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. This is the link we can follow. See here. This is yesterday demonstration video. They are uploaded on the YouTube channel. Okay. And answers, you got it. Providing as per your requirement. As that is the demo video. I can send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. Any questions related to this? If no questions, I'll end the session. Tomorrow we'll continue the same time, 8 to, you can expect that 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour session tomorrow, 8 to 9:30. I'm taking so that both of them are equal, both batches. Last week and batch and this week batch. Okay. If no questions are there, then I'll end the session. Tomorrow we'll meet the same time. Thank you for attending the demo session. Tomorrow is the last demo session, and Monday onwards, the link will be changed. Those who are paid only, they got the new link. Okay. Thank you.